Today is my rest day, pero bakit ako nag-exercise? As you can see, I'm doing yoga in Sunday kasi yung katawan ko po ay feel stiff and at the same time tight. Siguro dahil na rin sa pag 10 km ko kahapon. So ayun, as you can see, nag-research ako kung ano yung mga exercise na pwede ko gawin na makukonsider pa rin as rest day. Isa doon is yung yoga daw. Yoga daw can be considered as a recovery workout kasi it's a low impact type of exercise. Meaning hindi siya nag-a-add ng additional strain sa katawan. So, hindi ako na overtraining by doing yoga and it also promotes recovery. So, ayun, sabi ko, di ba, tight yung muscle ko from my previous training sa jogging. So, by stretching, ganun. So, medyo nare-relax yung muscle ko. So, medyo gumagaan yung pakiramdam ko. Yun nga lang, habang ginagawa ko tong yoga kong ito, parang nahihirapan akong sabayan yung pinapanood ko sa YouTube. Yung Yoga with Adrian pa yung pinapanood ko. So, actually, doing yoga is not my first time. Opo, hindi siya first time ko, pero almost 2 years rin na nag-stop ako ng yoga, kaya siguro nahihirapan ako as of now. Pero ayun, tiis-tiis na lang muna kasi having a strength and endurance is important, pero maganda din na may flexibility ka para iwas na rin sa injury. So ayun, today is my rest day and you should treat it as a important part of your training also. Kasi sa lahat ng mga nag-exercise dyan, huwag nyo talagang kalimutan yung pahinga. So kung parehas kayo sa akin na gusto pa rin ma-exercise even in your rest day, you can still do it. Pero do it as a light type of exercise, hindi yung very extensive. You can also do walking kung hindi kayo mahilig sa yoga. So yun lang for my video. Ito yung progress ko for my being a triathlete. Kasi sasali ako in the future ng Ironman. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.